happened na? Don't go to school. What happened?
This is why you don't go to school.
Why?
If you go to school, you wake up early. If you wake up early, you get tired. If you get tired, you sleep on school. If you sleep on school, you get scolded. You get scolded, your mom and dad will scold you. If you if you're scolded, if your mom and dad scold you, you're time out. If you time out, don't see friends. If you don't see friends,
Stop yan.
don't go outside.
Bilis ba yan?
If you don't see friends, you'll cry. If you cry, your eyes will hurt. If your eyes are hurt,
What happened?
you go to the doctor. If you go to the doctor, it will be so expensive. And when it's so expensive, you're poor. If you're poor, you don't have food. If you don't have food, you starve. If you starve, you die. So don't go to school.
Sabi mo, ala.